In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change height in Mighty Omega. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Height is a component in Mighty Omega that is going to determine how tall you are in-game. This is not only visual because it is going to have some effect on some of your attributes like the speed, your range, and so on. Your height will be randomly selected when you spawn in for the first time. However, there are ways to gain height boosts, and this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So when you first spawn, your height is going to be rolled between 1 and 1.6. It is impossible to go below a height of 1 without a slouched back getting a height reduction via a developer. So it will always be between this range here, and you can clearly tell the difference in height between characters. Now, the main way to get height boosts are going to be by rolling specific clans. If you roll into the Reinhold clan at least once, this will give you a permanent increase. So as you can see, this has an innate ability to boost your height by 10% permanently. So if you roll into the Reinhold clan, you will gain this height boost, 10% permanently. Now, you can also gain a height boost if you roll into the Yolotl clan. However, the difference here is that after the boost, this is not going to be permanent. So if you re-roll again, you will lose the boost that you first attained when you rolled into this clan. So only the Reinhold one is permanent. If you want to be as tall as possible, what you will do is get the 10% boost from Reinhold and then roll into a Yolotl, which would make you even bigger. Then the last way is going to be by having the growth spurt aptitude. This will also give you a flat 0.10 of your starting height, so it is going to increase your height by a little bit more. Besides this, admins and developers can change your height, but of course you shouldn't ask them directly because they could punish you. So these are going to be the three main ways. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.